Meaning of dynamite.
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 Dynamite. Dynamite refers to a powerful explosive material typically used in construction or mining. When ignited, it rapidly releases large amounts of energy in the form of an explosion, which can cause significant damage to surrounding structures. In addition to its use in construction and mining, dynamite has also been used as a weapon during wartime. While its power can be harnessed for useful purposes, it requires careful handling and storage as it poses a significant risk of accidental detonation that can lead to injury or death.